Hey guys,
welcome back to our YouTube channel.
It's Goodness and Mercy here again.
Yeah, and today is Monday.
Yes, so today I'm really proud of myself because I attempted like waking up around 5 a.m.
That's it, yes. And shout out to Goodness. Goodness really did a good one because she set an alarm. Like, you guys, we didn't sleep on time. We slept, I think, around 1 or 2.
Yeah.
But trust Goodness. Goodness set an alarm and it was running. And guess what time I woke up?
Yeah, I think it was 6.
That's right.
Yeah, 6 a.m. And I woke up before Mercy.
And by 9 a.m. you guys were already done with
eating breakfast,
working out, bathing. You guys, we had our part so early. In fact, I was super proud of us today.
Yeah, I think I really want to try this again. And anyway, I can't say about tomorrow because today,
oh my god, you guys, we created content.
Yes, that's why you see us on this outfit.
Yeah, and shout out to Laura girl for this outfit. This outfit is tea.
They're having their birthday anniversary sales.
Yes, so they sent us this,
Yeah.
And one other outfit like that. We're so sorry we didn't do like a try on all for you guys. In fact,
oh, that's true.
Yes,
did you remember?
I remembered, but I was like, I needed us to be fast.
Yeah,
but no problem, don't worry, it's going to be on our shorts, so kindly check out our shorts to see the full outfit. It's really nice. We're also thinking of using this for like pre-birthday photo shoot.
Yeah,
because our birthday is coming up
September.
Yeah, it's a birthday girl.
I'm really so proud of us. Welcome to the month of August.
Yeah, happy new month.
I'm proud of us because we've successfully uploaded 4 YouTube videos.
Yes, shout out to being consistent.
Yeah, if you watch our first video, you see when we're like, goodness and mercy, we can do it, we can do
and we actually did it.
Yes, I just really pray that God give us the grace to be consistent
this month. We should be able to drop 4. Please,
amen.
God.
Yes, I kid you not that we are very discouraged because the views on our last, like, I think 2 posts, it has been really poor, like it's low. So we really appreciate if you can share this video to your friends,
so that you can encourage us to do more content.
Yes, because it's so discouraging. We're just like, as somebody that has been posting short, and
we're trying to put ourselves out there, it's kind of overwhelming, but you know, we're like, we can do this actually,
right?
It's really discouraging, but I know it's not going to be permanent. We're going to break free from it, I believe.
Man,
don't think about it, it's fine. Anyway, guys, I think you guys have not seen us since after the wedding. You know, we took a week break.
Yeah,
that's why we did a day in our life in our last vlog. Yeah, but honestly, we missed our workouts.
So sad. Yes, we actually missed a week of workout.
Yeah, but we're still eating good, healthy.
Yeah, we made sure that we ate right and also reduce our portion size.
To be honest, I don't know how this vlog is going, you guys, because honestly, we've not even meal prepped for this. We've not planned anything out for this week.
Nothing. And also, brands are on our neck.
Yeah, that last week we were supposed to, round up with the content, but we didn't do any of that. So
we're just going to take only 1 more collabs, and
after
we're
that
take a break.
Like,
like birthday and stuff. But after that, we're going to stop any collaborations.
Yes,
like when I mean one last one, we still have others.
Yeah, so once we've rounded up with that, we need to be free because our birthday is coming. I don't want to be working on my birthday, honestly. I need a break. I need a break
like a baby. And you guys, I'm so sad. We lost our nose ring.
Yeah, you guys, should we tell you how we lost this nose ring? Okay, the lady that usually help us clean this house, disposed it by mistake. It was inside like a carton because we didn't want to, like, this small box. Too small. Let me show you something like this box. Yes, there are 2 of it. So one was empty. She threw it away. She actually thought that it was empty. You know how nose ring is inside. My multi-million-dollar nose ring. Oh my god. You guys, that measuring there, the way we have been preserving it, we don't like putting on all the time
because it always gets messy. Anytime you sleep like this, you might not even see it again. Okay guys, thank you for listening to our Rant session.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Love you. Mwah.
about you. Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Alright. Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom floor. How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me.
I guess you guys are familiar with this wig. We installed it, I think 2 weeks ago.
Yes, and it's from Arabella wigs. I like the fact that it can retain old coils.
Yeah, so we were supposed to send the brand 2 videos. Our schedule was so busy, so we're like, we're going to just do it today and send it to her. Anyway, this is the style we chose.
Yes, and we just decided to try using crimper, and it came out
nice. Yeah. So we actually have another wig to install today. We also have content to do. We're actually in a rush. We're going to show you guys when we put it on.
We've installed it also last week, but we sent the video to the brand and they were like, they need us to appear separately on the video.
Yeah, because the wigs, they're actually 2 different wigs.
Yeah,
which we're not happy about. Let's not even talk about it. So this is the wig we're talking about. Yeah, the plan is to bleach this to be black. I pray it turns out well, honestly. And this wig is from Faba wigs. Yeah, I love the texture. It's absolutely very soft. Yeah, so we're going to be dropping the link in the description box below for you guys to check it out and purchase.
22 at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you.
Quick OOTD. Yeah, this top is from Paperstraight. Yes, and this skirt is from Yesstyle. We've not done an unboxing video, so I'll be doing that next week. Exactly. This scarf is from Temu. Yeah, and this bag is from our wardrobe, and this glasses is from our wardrobe. And I don't think you guys can see our shoes. Yeah, it's also from Paperstraight. Yeah, it's pink, and pink. Ooh.